Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Easy and quick recipes are one of my favorites, and today I am going to share a very interesting mango coconut rice. This also makes for a great lunchbox recipe, so let's get started and check it out. The first step is to make the masala paste. For the rice, I have all the ingredients here. To the mixer jar, add 1 bowl of raw mango pieces chopped. So just remove the skin and add the pieces. Next, add 1 large cup of freshly grated coconut. Add about 5 green chilies chopped. Now you can adjust the spice according to your taste. Next, add a few curry leaves, a handful of fresh mint leaves. Next, add a handful of fresh coriander leaves. Close the mixer jar and grind it without adding any water. Now you need to grind this to a nice coarse mixture. The mango coconut masala is ready. Keep this aside. The next step is to temper a few ingredients for the rice. So here are all the ingredients for tempering. Next, to a nice wide pan or kadai, add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of Chana Dal, 1 teaspoon Urad Dal, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon Cumin Seeds, and about 1/4 cup of peanuts. So you can use any peanuts of your choice for this recipe. I'm using the ones with the skin. Add a few red chillies, break them into half and add them. Add 1/4 teaspoon of Hing as Grated powder and a few curry leaves and mix everything well. Now add the masala paste and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, add a teaspoon of rock salt. If you don't have rock salt, you can just use the regular table salt. The aroma is absolutely amazing. I'm getting this nice fresh raw mango and coconut smell. Cook this on medium-low flame for about 5 minutes. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix it in. This will give you a nice color to the rice. So you can see all that excess moisture is evaporated. Now is a good time to add the rice. So I have cooked 1 cup of Basmati rice. This is a 250 ml cup measurement. So I've already cooked the Basmati rice and I have kept. For this recipe, I'm using long grain Basmati rice, but you can use any rice that you normally use at home to make this recipe. So once you add the rice, gently start mixing in. Make sure the rice is completely mixed along with that masala paste. It will take a couple of minutes. So if you have any leftover rice at home, you can also make this recipe using that rice. So just gently mix everything till it's all well combined. You can see the rice is beautifully coated with that masala. This mango coconut rice is extremely flavorful. You can enjoy it with some nice potato fry and also some chips by the side. I've already made a recipe on how to make homemade potato chips. We'll give you the link in the description. You can check that out as well. The mango coconut rice is loaded with flavor. It's nice and tangy and spicy. It's very, very tasty. I'll give you a couple of links for the other rice recipes that I've made earlier. Do try them as well. Raw mango these days are available in many places throughout the year, so you can enjoy this flavored rice whenever you want. Do try this recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.